I'm Chris Saxon, part of Stephen Feuerstein's Oracle Developer Advocate team and part of the answer team for Ask Tom. I'm really excited to be coming to Sangam in Bangalore. It's my second time at Sangam, first time coming to Bangalore, so I'm really looking forward to being there and presenting to teach you about Oracle Database. I've got 3 sessions coming up, one covering the latest new features in Oracle Database 18c to help you build better, faster Oracle Database applications. Then I'm also going to be looking at SQL performance, helping you understand why Oracle chose an index versus a full table scan and unlocking some of the mystery behind the optimizer. And finally, I've got a session on SQL injection, showing how easy it is to expose vulnerable applications and steps you need to take to protect yourself. Finally, I've also got a fireside chat with my colleague Connor McDonald. It's your chance to ask us, the Ask Tom team, in person, your questions about Oracle Database. Look forward to seeing you there. Hope to see you soon.